people. When I the day, I the day, I the day. When I the day, I the day, when I play. When I the day, I the day, I the day. When things are go better, people. When I the day, I the day, I the day.
Wagwan MTV CRIBS, I welcome you to my CRIBS. These are my CRIBS. As you can see, my rise from the ghetto, come big international star, don't get my visa to go England. And so my dog them here. Want make you know say my dog them nowadays, them don't eat regular. The other day you see them eat island jerk. But guess what? Right now my dog them eat big chicken. This, I don't know, Gully flap bed. This your bed here, no make out a regular bed. This your bed here, a leather bed, memory foam, straight from Italy. And anytime Miss Chung come over, I hear someone take Miss Chung right now the Gully flap bed. It's so beautiful. You can see the stars under the light. And speaking of luxury goods, I want to show you my brand new TV.
Cause a conundrum with that blum logic. Them dum-dums turn your nice car into
Panasonic. You want to get the Panasonic like the panoramic. So you know, say I have a DJ tool for that. Panasonic, they have a panoramic. Can't mess with me, then my man a panic. Man a panic, they might get a shot, then they might flip back, man a bad man. Hey, you never know say man a bad man, wicked man a take man, think clock up, shut up. Yo, next time I go England, that a new tune, I go bust that in England, I can't bust that in Jamaica. Half a bust that in England. So alright, cool, come and me show you the pool now. This is the pool / wash basin / dog bowl / and wash station. And you don't know say when you have your laundry them and thing and you're outside, this is the multi-area place. So we hang the clothes them right so after we finish washing. And you don't know say how you wash your clothes them with the blue bomber soap. And you smooth like you wash your face with the cake soap.
Steel and capano, Mali popping just a lot of weed and grabber. Ting-a-ling-a-ling, we ring your bell like Shabba. If she have a super cat, then I'm the real.
Oh, I'm going to big up to my next door neighbor who lend me this extension card. That's how happen to be plug-in where I can run all these nice utility something. Alright, MTV CRIBS. You see my mangle dog, them I'm going to upgrade. You see my Xbox. You see my expensive chandelier. You see my leather bed. On the door I can go home, but I have to get the fuck out of here because right now Miss Chung will come through. Alright, later here. Every girl want to walk off of me. Every girl want to. I mean name the original Gully flap. I want to welcome you to my CRIBS. CRIBS. My God, say oh no bad like me. Say no mad like me. No can't bust up it like me. I no can't bust freestyle like me. CRIBS.
Come on, Gully, CRIBS.
And that we say CRIBS. Ask them about BMW. Say you no bad like me. Say no mad like me. No episode of MTV CRIBS. CRIBS. God damn it, CRIBS. MTV CRIBS. Alright. Well, you know it's no episode of MTV CRIBS wouldn't be complete without them showing off the shoes. No can bust up it like me. And no can bust freestyle like me. Me I go foreign and I fly on TV. Oh God.